6. Ceiling mount installation. Fix the mounting brackets to the ceiling. Place the brackets on the ceiling. Rotate them into position. Bracket number 11 is for the inner extendable track, and bracket number 12 is for the outer extendable track. If the bracket is slightly tilted, use a small hammer to adjust it to the correct position. Mark the drilling points. Hold the curtain track horizontally against the ceiling. Align it with the desired position. Then mark the drilling points with a pen. Drill the holes. Drill holes at the marked positions. Insert the expansion bolts. Take the white expansion bolts from accessory pack number 9 and insert them into the holes in the ceiling. Mount the track. Place the track on the brackets and tighten the screws. Install the small hooks. After the track is fixed, attach the small hooks number 14 on both ends of the track. This helps improve the shading effect. Mount the remote holder. Stick the remote holder on the wall, so it's easy to store and access the remote control. Connect the power cord. Plug the adapter number 4 into a nearby outlet. Insert the Type-C connector into the motor, and make sure the curtain system is powered on. Smart control. Remote control. App control. Voice control.
Hey Siri, open the blind to 30%.